guys, it's Melanie, and today we have none other but another, today we have a haul. This is just a pretty basic haul. I have a few of these coming my way because I've been doing a lot of shopping, so let's not talk about that. But I've been getting a lot of cool stuff and I'm really excited to show you guys what I've been picking up. So let's hop right into this. Of course, this will be a try on and I'll have links to all the items below. A lot of these items were sent to me by various companies, but of course, my honest opinions, and you can totally see like the quality and everything in these videos. And if you want to see what stuff looks like on, follow me on my social medias. Okay, let's get started. First off, we're going to be starting with this company that sent me some stuff. It is a pretty small brand and it's a women's apparel shop that's actually like Korean style, so it has really cool like kind of Asian style stuff. I'll have the links of all the items in my description box, and I'll also have a code for 15% off, which you can check out. The brand is called Little Hazel and they offer free worldwide shipping over $99. So other than that, I'm just going to show you guys what I picked out. They have some pretty cute things. First, to just get this out of the way, I got one pair of shoes. I've been trying to step it up with my shoe wear because if y'all didn't know, I do BC, which is like college, which is like you walk kind of a lot. So my boots are pretty like high and super uncomfortable. So I was looking for some new shoes with a shorter heel but still like pretty fashionable and stuff. So I got these boots. I think these look very high-end. I'm not exactly sure how to style it. They give me kind of like hippie, like, not hippie, hipster, like coffee, Starbucks vibes. I don't know, like autumn, fall, all of that. You know, perfect for the season. They're like Chelsea boots, I think that's what they're called. But they have a really small They have a really small heel, so they're really comfortable to walk in, which your girl appreciates because I'm not a talented walker. My feet hurt easily, I don't know. And on to the apparel, I got, first off, I got this top. This is just a really plain gray crop, not really cropped, but gray top. It's ribbed and it's just a plain top, but I really like it. It fits really well, super soft, super comfy. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, perfect for layering. I got this top, which is like on the fancy side. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna style this, but it's just this like blush blouse and it's really nice. I have no clue how I'm gonna wear this because, as I say in like every video, I have fancy clothes that I have no occasion to wear on. So we'll find something for this because too cute not to wear. The other stuff is way more casual, which is good for me. I got this long sleeve top and it's just an interesting color. For starters, I don't have much green stuff. And then on top of it, I don't have this tone of green. I feel like it's a unique color. It's like this muted, almost, I can't describe colors, but it's just a really nice basic. And I think this would look really nice tucked into some like light wash boyfriend jeans, and then with like white shoes maybe, or Vans. I'm not really sure yet. This has been kind of like a trend. It's just that like quarter zip, and then it has the little like circle zipper thing. I don't know what it's called, but this is what this looks like. It's like a really thin material, so you can still layer this if you want. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Then the bottom also has this like scrunchy thing, so you can make it like cropped and like tight around the waist, which I really like. Don't know why I got this during this time of year because it's freaking cold. And on top of that, I don't wear skirts, but I've really been wanting a denim skirt, and they had this one and it looked really nice, so I picked it up anyways. I might have to crop it a little more just because I'm like the shortest person. My legs are literally 2 inches long. This is the last thing I got from them. I really like this for some reason. This is what this looks like, and it's just a striped chunky sweater. These interesting colors, I feel like you don't really see like orange, red, blue, and cream like together a lot, but I don't know, I really like it, and I feel like that's kind of a trend. I don't know, holding it up to me, I feel like I kind of look like a grandpa or something. So thank you to Little Hazel. You should check them out, have the info below. Onto some other stuff I got. Oh my dear. Okay, so I bought this about a freaking year, not a year, but I'm a little dramatic. I got it probably like 3-4 months ago, but okay, first off, Urban Outfitters, you're a little sketchy. I bought this like 5 months ago and they didn't ship it. Like, it was on whatever it's called, like callback or something. I don't know. They didn't have it in stock, but it took a really, really long time. So if I knew that before I purchased it, which I didn't, then I wouldn't have bought it. But okay, long story short, whatever. I got this hoodie. I really like this hoodie. So I got this in a men's small. It's the plain champion hoodie, but it was freaking expensive. It was like 70 bucks, which freaking sucks, but you know, fine, it's fine, okay? Because I love this color so much. It's like the muted pink blush, whatever. It's probably my favorite hoodie like ever. I got this purse. I really like this. Ain't it adorable? So it has a long, okay, it's a long little strap and a short little strap, and it looks like this. It's actually really spacious. It has like 2 compartments and then a front one. The front one is the perfect size for my phone, which I keep there, and then the other side, like, I can put whatever the heck I want. I just like how simple this is, but it's also really nice, and I like how it looks with a little pom-pom. I took my pom-pom off right now, but it looks really good with it. This is the brand Angela Roy, and they sent this to me, so thanks to them. I'll have links and stuff down below, and if you want to see like how I style it, check out my Insta. But basically, a vegan handbag company based in New York, and they have a lot of different handbags and purses and pouches and all that stuff, so you should check out their website. I'll have links below, all that. Next off, I got these leggings. These are actually from Amazon, but I've seen this brand, like I've heard about it, I know about it. They sell this brand at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls a lot, and if you didn't know, I'm an avid Marshall shopper, so yeah. 90 Degrees by Reflex, so it's a really good like Lululemon high-end like athletic wear dupe, because all their leggings range from like, I don't know, $16 to like $30, which is really good because Lululemon leggings are like $100. So yeah, these are a great dupe. These are the high-waisted somethings, I don't remember, but if you just look up 90 Degrees by Reflex, or like honestly, if you look up like athletic leggings on Amazon, they're like the first one to come up because they have like 8,000 views and like reviews and everything, and everyone loves them because they're really good. And they have them in like 20,000 different colors. So I got them in this army green olive color, and I've been into like colored leggings, but I still want them to be a little bit like muted because I'm not going out there in like neon leggings. The next thing I got is this hoodie, and this is from the Tommy Jeans XPLORE like brand, whatever, and they have a new app that just came out. I have the app. You guys should totally check it out. I'll have the link and stuff down below. Basically, all you have to do is wear the clothes, and like with the app, you can match the clothes with the app. You can earn like points that buy you like physical like actual gifts, so you can get rewards like going to concerts or like VIP events, which is super cool. This is a really nice hoodie, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this and marking it on the app. You guys should totally download the app and check it out. And in the last place, as I went on my little rant earlier about how I'm obsessed with Marshalls and TJ Maxx, of course I went to TJ Maxx. I honestly go to like TJ Maxx or Marshalls at least like once a week, which is terrible. But these things were necessary. So the first thing I got was 2 packs of fuzzy socks. This pack I opened, there was like a blue pair and like stars, but I already wore them and I think I might have lost them, I don't know. And then I got this black and gray pair. I wear fuzzy socks constantly because out of all of my like everything, like I'm always freezing, right? But then my feet are like extra cold. So fuzzy socks are the solution. I got 2 more things from TJ Maxx. In my eyes, these were a really good find because, like, you know, every once in a while you find like really good brands at TJ Maxx and you're just kind of like, oh, thanks, thank you. So I got the same thing in 2 different colors because you know me. It's just this champion long sleeve shirt. I've been wanting this for a while, but I wasn't trying to spend $30 on it. And thanks to TJ Maxx, I only spent $10 on each. These are in the boys section. I always make sure to look at like the boys, the girls, and the women's, and the juniors. I look literally everywhere, and the men's. It's great. I got it in like a large or something, so I got it in navy, and then I also got it in white. And yeah, I really like this. I remember I wanted this so bad a while ago, and then I stopped wanting it as bad, and then I found it, so then I was like, well, it makes sense to get it, you know? Basically, that's it. So that's what I'm finishing up my haul with. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out any of the items, I have it all linked below. And yeah, make sure to follow me on my socials so that we can stay connected. I've been pretty active, so I'm proud. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!